Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan. Well, it's Monday again. Nice to see that we have some movement on Bitcoin. Price discovery. We waited a long period of time to get in the price discovery mode. Bucur or Sebastian, please tell me if the audio and video it's acceptable so we can continue. Let's change to the Bitcoin on weekly. Well, let's hide a little bit the drawings and let's just look at a naked chart. Well, that's how a kind of a up-only market looks. Yeah, so everyone is now telling us that is similar with this one with 2021. Well, I don't know if it's similar. I don't think so, but who knows? It's possible. Anyway, nice to see that Bitcoin is $80,000. Yeah, we waited a long period of time from 2022 until now to break the all-time high and stay above. We finally closed the weekly candle above that level. Strong candle, nice one. On lower time frame we played level by level. We anticipated the breakout. I think we did a really nice job on Crypto Traders Arena. But what is more important, if we made money, if we position ourselves correctly, that's the most important thing. Yeah, I'm not here. You are not here to be right. Well, I anticipated the breakout, and now doesn't matter if your portfolio is low, if your wallet is empty. Doesn't matter. We are here to make some money. Yeah, let's not forget that. Weekly strong. But I'll tell you again, don't fucking chase. Strong candle on weekly, but if we'll go straight up, well, so be it. We have Holy Grail. Morning, Carol. Morning, Bukur. Morning, everyone. Yeah, we have Holy Grail on 5-50-minute chart to chase the market. On the rest of the setups, we should wait for a retracement. We should wait for something to retrace a little bit, I don't know, at least in a pump chaser zone. Okay, so weekly chart looks strong, but I'll repeat, don't get in the FOMO area. Wait for a retracement, please. This candle, at some point in time, sooner than later, needs a retest. And 70, 75, it's a good level to wait. Well, indicators. Why I'm still thinking we can push higher? Well, just look at RSI and OBV. RSI, it's not even in the overbought area. Okay? Morning, Rocco. Morning. So that should tell us something. It's a lot. We have room for higher. Now, don't chase, but let's look at daily chart. Similar. Yeah? Level by level, we play the market nice and clean. We are pushing higher, we accept above all-time high. We can see the strength of the market. We are overbought in RSI. Staying there is not a bad thing. Nice to see that OBV is pushing higher also. We don't have divergence on daily. Market is healthy, market is strong, could push higher. So, you can chase, you can trade with Holy Grail. You don't like 5-minute chart? No problem. Go on 15-minute chart, it's even better. With 15-minute chart, you'll get 1, 2, or 3 entries every day on Bitcoin, which is more than enough. And live with the results. Okay? You saw what Holy Grail can do if we have the right environment. So daily looks nice and clean. Well, Ethereum. range, breakout, we need a retest. At some point in time, we'll get the retest. We should chase Ethereum here at 3,200? No. Could push higher? Yeah. But we should not chase. That's a big consolidation, a nice breakout, violent one. But we need a retest. At some point in time, we'll come back and retest that level. At least 2,800, I think. Will happen now, will happen tomorrow, will happen this week, I don't know. But when will happen, people will say, well, fuck, it was a fake out. Then probably it's time for us to think long. Nah? Indicators here all over the place. RSI violently in the overbought, straight up, which is okay-ish, but we need a retracement. Look what happened last time when we had something like this, yeah? From 50% straight in the overbought area, we stay there for a couple of days and then we go back down. Now, so don't chase Ethereum either. Let's take a look at something even nicer. Bitcoin dominance. Look at it. We have an alarm set. Let's see if I still have the alarm activated. I don't know if it's active or not. I think so. I hope so. Looks like it's active. Like I said, nice rejection from 60% level. But we have a clear EM here? No. My 2 cents. I'm just a stupid trader. My 2 cents here. We'll do something like this. That will be something nice. I'm not saying that that will happen, but that will be something nice for us. Pushing higher here. Everyone thinking, well, it's going back up. Making an ICM here on 4-hour chart or lower time frame. And then going slowly down. That will push altcoins over the top. That will give us a lot of shots on our investment plans. And it'll be nice to trade with Holy Grail, of course. So that will be the perfect scenario I'm waiting. We are in crypto. Perfect scenario. No, I don't know if we'll get that or not. But I'm looking for something like that. Let's see if it will happen or not. Okay. Well, we have weekly bearish divergence on Bitcoin. Well, Rado, be more specific. Weekly bearish divergence on what indicator? And what kind of divergence we have? We have a potential one. We have a hidden divergence. We have a confirmed divergence. It's on RSI, MACD, OBV, other indicator. Please be more specific so I know where to look to see if it's correct or not. Or to give you my 2 cents. If it's correct, it's another story. Okay, so I'm thinking nice weekend, nice pump. Usually pump in the weekend, retrace Monday, pump Tuesday again. That's the drill. Usually. So I'm expecting some retracement. And you saw in the morning. We had overnight a little bit of pump and now we are retracing. So if today will be a retracement day and tomorrow will pump again, I think I could take that. We need some retracement. We need some cooling off for us to get some entries. And tomorrow to pump again. Let's see if today will be the same like usual. Okay, Ethereum versus Bitcoin. The next one. Well, I said don't be bearish here, okay, enough it's enough. Now we are pushing higher, dead cat bounce, but if we wait here and we'll see a W here on lower time frame 4-hour chart, that will be the second half of a W. No? I think that will be a nice way to see the market. Something like this, 78.6, 61.8, I don't know. Maybe even a smaller W here on a lower time frame and then pushing higher. And that's a W. Okay, that's a W in long reload zone. Will happen? Let's see. Let's wait. Let's Let's play level by level. For the moment, what we have here is just a dead cat bounce and a strong rejection from long reload zone. That doesn't make it bullish on daily or weekly chart. No. It's a sign of life. And I said don't be bearish here. Just the fact that we are too damn close to 78.6 megaphone trend line and so on. And bounce. If we'll have the same scenario I'm waiting here, why not? Why not? Something nice for us to play with. We have to anticipate. We have to front run. In our thinking, we have to front run the market to go beyond what is at the moment in the market. So we can plan for the next move. I'm not saying to front run the setups. I'm saying to anticipate the market, see where we can find setups. Okay. DXY, well, it's in the short reload zone again. You can see Friday and today we are playing in the short reload zone. Too aggressive in my 2 cents, but maybe it's what we get. I don't know. Bitcoin, we talked about total market cap. Strong, but we didn't close a daily candle on total market cap. Yeah, we have the all-time high. Yeah, we have the all-time high, but the total market cap is still below this level. Still below the all-time high. And I don't know. The all-time high from the big one here, the high from 2021 is still far away. So Bitcoin is making new highs, is in the price discovery. In total market cap, it's still in short reload zone, still below the all-time high. What do you think is next? How do you think total market cap could go above $3 trillion? Someone could tell me how we can get that? Well, think about it. Total 2. In the short reload zone, kind of similar. We finally broke out from this downtrend channel. If we look, support and resistance, horizontal support and resistance was coiling up, like we discussed last week, pushing higher, breaking out. We need a retest at some point in time. When will happen? I don't know. It's a good moment here. Yeah, we have some yams we can reject, go back down and push higher. Similar, like I said, on Bitcoin. Total 3. We finally closed above. Nice, but similar thing. We need to retest this level, and then if we'll accept, we can push higher again. A lot of work to do here. Let's go on weekly a little bit. On total 3, a lot of work to do here, and a lot of space to recover. A lot. We are at 700 billion, and the high is 1.1 trillion. We have a lot of room to just touch the 2021. Just touch the 2021. Imagine to double that, to triple that. Okay, let's look at 2018. Well, in 2018 we had 361 at the all-time high. The next cycle we get to the 1.1 trillion, and now we are below that level. Just imagine 2 or 3 times, well, just a double from 2 trillions. Imagine where some altcoins could get in the top of the market. I'm referring, not now. So, well, Ricky, let's think about gaps. Let's find out if it's what kind of gap it is. Usually, yeah, the gaps get filled in the same week, but sometimes you get so-called gap and go, if you know what I mean. And that's, you don't get it too often, but when you get it, you should be prepared for it. It's possible. It's possible on Bitcoin this time. So let's wait a little bit. Rado, I'm still waiting for your comment. What kind of divergence we have? At least point me in what direction you are thinking. Okay. Total 3, like I said, Just to test this level, we'll push altcoins a lot higher. Just to think about double this level. Well, anyway, it's not happening. Will not happen tomorrow or this week. That's for sure. Yes, I'm on weekly. You can see the image on weekly. It's strong. Nothing bad. Nothing bad on indicators here. I have potential. This one is a confirmed one. Almost. Maybe on week, maybe we'll form something because we are at 6,000. Will not go up forever. And we have some slowing down here on RSI. Some potential on OBV. It's too early to call it. It's too damn strong and too early to call that. On daily chart, for example, on daily chart we have this AB equals CD played out. Okay, we are above that. This one is usually a fake out, the third one. Well, we can clone this one. Okay, clone it and paste it here. Well, it's possible, but usually the last one it's a fake out. So somewhere in here we'll see an EM, a 3-bar fractal top, and we'll retrace. Just my 2 cents. Could do another AB equals CD, another step higher? Yep. 6,000, big fat round number. We can push fake out to the upside, I don't know, 6,200, 6,000 and something, and then make a 3-bar fractal top? Possible. We need a correction? Kind of, if you look at the chart, depending how you see it. But in the same time, people, we are here to play the market. So let's respect the market. Market is telling us something. Don't be stupid, don't be bearish, I'm strong. I see a lot of people playing 70% or 80% short setups. I'll short the top on yes. Really? Okay, good luck with that. And we have here the Bitcoin index, if you remember this one. We have nice things drawn here. You can see halvening, halvening, halvening. Everyone is comparing this one, okay, is comparing this halvening from 2020 with what we have now. If we compare that, we are at the top. We are close to the top. Look at here. In January, we should have the top, and that's it. If we compare with this one. Why? Well, let's take this and put it here. Same distance. You can see that was close to the top. We should get the similar if we compare it to 2020. But if you compare it to this one, still a lot of room to go up. And I think we should not compare the market, this market to 2021. We should compare it with 2018, 2017, 2017, 2018. I think that's similar. It's better. Well, just my 2 cents, people. Just my 2 cents. Now here we should expect bull to start. If you remember, 21 bars. Well, look at it. That wasn't too far. Anyway, idea is for this consolidation we have the target here at 90k. And if you are thinking kind of cup and handle, well, could be that simple. Yeah, why not? Why we should use overcomplicating or thinking too. Well, just take the cup, put it here. Well, 122. Not bad. People are saying, well, no, this time we'll hit 1 million. People, last time we hit 100k and we never exceed 74. Don't think $1 million. No. Bitcoin is damn big now. Will move. It's still up only, but it's bigger. It's harder to move. We don't have the same exponential movement anymore. Yeah? And even if we'll have something like that, imagine that now the traditional market is here. And some fund managers, at the end of the year, they have to book some profit. Why? Well, so they could clear the trade and show to the people, to their followers, to the people who invest in him. Well, invest in them. Look at me. I doubled my money. get your money with me. If they have and it's a potential profit, that doesn't count. You have to have it in your books so you can show off. So expect at the end of the year some people to do that. And we are pushing higher. If you are a fund manager, okay, Andrei, if you're a fund manager and you want to book more people for next year, because that will mean more fees for you and more money for you, you will take some profit off here on Bitcoin at the end of the year? Yes or no? Well, Radu, I know you are just watching. I didn't say anything. You said we have bearish divergence. Well, tell me where you see that bearish divergence so I could watch, because it's hard to look on all the indicators. Just tell me what you saw on the chart and I'll gladly take a look. Maybe you're right. Let's find that divergence. That will be a nice sign. Well, so that could happen at the end of the year. Don't chase here. Okay. If Bitcoin will hit 100k, imagine if people will take some profit or not. Some people are hoping, dreaming for 100k from the first year of Bitcoin. I think you'll take some profit off. I don't know. I think even Satoshi will take some profit off at 100k. I don't know, just my 2 cents. I'm just a stupid trader. I don't know what Satoshi will do. Okay. Now, that's halvening on a weekly chart. You can see halvening, pushing higher, halvening, pushing higher, halvening, and we're finally trying to push higher, take the high, and going up. People, I'll say it again, and I'll say it for every one of you. Yeah. Don't short Bitcoin. Don't short Bitcoin in the price discovery. Why you want to short this movement? Yeah, this is price discovery. This was price discovery in 2020, above 20k. This is price discovery. You want to short something like this on 1 hour daily chart? No. This is price discovery. You want to short something like this, or you want to long and hold as long as possible, or to buy and hold kind of idea. By the way, what we see here, Bitcoin above on the price discovery, it's a trap. Why? We should focus on altcoins, not on Bitcoin. Let's say Bitcoin will go from 80 to 100k, 120k. What's the risk reward there? We discussed yesterday. Where is the better risk to reward? Look at some altcoins at the bottom of the ocean, waiting for you to go and pick them up. You don't like them? Well, buy them higher. Sorry, it's up to you. Don't look at shiny things. Look where you're supposed to look. Shiny things are for public. So, okay, Bitcoin is strong. Bitcoin is in price discovery. Don't short. If you have some spot, okay, hold it, okay? But you should look in another direction. Everyone is looking at Bitcoin now. And when they'll start looking at altcoins, your bags will be 5, 10x. If you play the cards right. You are here to look at Bitcoin, or you are here to make money? Okay, now let's see what let's just see what Radu is seeing. Bitcoin on weekly. Okay, let's look at RSI. What we have here, Radu, we have a potential one. But if it's a trend continuation, this could be a high bullish divergence. As a bearish divergence, indeed we have something. It's not over yet, so we don't have it's a potential one. Something. Yeah, we don't have an EM like this. This was a nice one. You can see it. Let me show you. Well, this was a potential until was a confirmed one. Okay, this is a potential one. We'll confirm. I'll show you. Let me, not this one, this one. We'll confirm here in this area. Now let's see what price did here. Okay, so we had the bearish divergence like you see here, similar in a way with what we have. And look what happened. Market stayed and pushed higher. And after we closed and we retest here, after some weeks, we become bearish and we lost the level. So it's a bit too early to call it. Okay? I'm not saying it's not a potential one, but nothing serious here. We are not even in the overbought area. So I don't think Bitcoin is weak. I think it's overextended for the moment. Let's see what will happen, okay? OBV is still in a range. I don't see the explosive move. That's why we prefer level by level. Let's play support and resistance. It's hard in the price discovery. Why? You don't have support or resistance. You are in price discovery. Price never reached that level. Yeah, for the moment it's damn strong, Andre, it's damn strong. Okay, so now let's take a look at what we have on lower time frame, okay? First, let's take a look at what we have on the calendar. Acceptable week to trade. Wednesday, news. Tuesday we'll have PPI, and Friday we'll have some news, but Wednesday is the it's better to mostly stay out. Overall, okay-ish week to trade. So we can activate Holy Grail, we can trade safely, we can hunt meme coins, we can do whatever we want. I don't see news so big that should stop us to trade. Now, on the lower time frame here on Bitcoin, you can see what I see. This is Bitcoin on 50-minute chart. Okay, I have Bitcoin on 1 hour and I have Bitcoin on 4-hour chart. You can see 1 hour no yams, we can push higher. 4 hour you can see is pushing higher. It's on the Bollinger Bands on the higher one and is extending its. When this one will stop, you'll see the lower band turning back up. Okay, so this one, just 1 second. You'll see the lower part of the band pointing up again. That's the way you know, well, maybe it's over. And you can see here, exponential move up. Look at the lower band. When the band is turning up, the move is almost over or is slowing down. Similar here, okay? Move up, and you can see bands expanding, and at the end of the move, the lower band is pointing in the same direction, and the move is done. Okay? That's why I have Bollinger Bands. I'm a fan of Bollinger Bands. I'm not day trading with them. I know how to trade it, but in an environment like this, it's just for confluence. Nothing we can do with Bollinger Bands. What you can do with Bollinger Bands in any environment is to wait for consolidation like this. Yeah? When you see consolidation, you know, the bigger the consolidation, the lower the channel, the smaller the channel, you know that an explosive move is coming soon enough. And you can see here, one, similar here, exploding. We are still expanding. We had a smaller consolidation. I will not do you a tutorial about Bollinger Bands. But that's what I'm seeing here. 4 hour, 1 hour, and 50-minute chart. If I'm looking at 50-minute chart, well, we have some bearish divergence here on all the indicators. Potential on OBV, potential on RSI, potential in a confirmed one on MACD, but potential on RSI. It's just potential. Potential on OBV, yeah, it's there, but its potential is not confirmed one. We can push higher here? I think we can. We can see we are accepting above the higher band of uptrend channel. A scalper could trade this one? I think you can. You can even go short if you are a day trader or a scalper on 50-minute chart is possible. You saw Stefan shorting yesterday. book some nice profit, out. I'm okay with Stefan doing that? Yeah. I'm okay with you trying to do that? No. It's simple as that. Why? Well, Stefan is sharp and he knows how to scout. Okay? Rest of the people, some of them they can do it, and some of them they should stay the fuck out. 90% of the people, no business with 50-minute chat. Simple as that. And you can succeed once or twice, but if in the end you lose your account, then why the fuck you're here? That's why I don't recommend, and I prefer, and I even made a tutorial or kind of mini tutorial how to trade in an uptrend channel. And I said you want to buy the dip, the middle of the low or the lower part of the channel. You don't want to short the top. Huh? What Stefan did the last night was just to take this overextended move and short it. And here he exited the market. And that's it, next bus. 1 hour later he posted, well, my remaining got stopped out at scratch. And the market is pushing higher. In an uptrend, you want to buy the dip. People, remember, note, put something. You'll lose the most money in trying to short an uptrend or trying to long a downtrend. Don't do it. If you don't have a daily job and well, I'm trying to day trade. Okay, take $100 or $500 challenge. Prove yourself you can make money day trading. Okay, and then go and risk 10,000. But just to pretend you're a day trader and lose your account, I don't think it's a good idea. And that's why I suggested yesterday to stay the fuck out. And if I'll see people trying to follow deeply, you can watch Stefan, you can watch me doing that. But if you are not a day trader, you should not put the trade in the market with real money. Well, if you play the challenge, okay. Why? Well, because you can lose your account. Okay, so that's Bitcoin on lower time frame. Now, you can see here what I see on indicators, yeah? Look at RSI on 15-minute chart. That's not potential here. That's confirmed bearish divergence. Look at it. Ugly. Yeah. I will confirm this one through 50 line, then we have a problem. For the moment, we're above 50. But it's not looking good. Look at MACD. You can see it's trying to confirm the divergence. Again, will confirm, in my opinion, here. All the way down here to be a confirmed bearish divergence. Still a potential. And OBV for the moment is just following the price action strong. Yeah, nothing to complain there. Now, I could change on 4-hour chart. I think that's the best time frame for us to look at some altcoins. And what we can do now is just to drag our long reload zone a bit higher. I should chase here? No. You saw what happened for the late people who chased from this level higher. You saw what happened, yeah? You bought, let's say you bought this one and you saw straight down. Got your stop loss. Next bus. So wait for a dip, wait for a retracement, wait for another W. Don't chase the market. Not a good idea. Don't follow and chase Doge here. If you have bags from, I don't know, 10, 15 cents like we have, enjoy the ride. Don't sell. But to chase on leverage or even on spot at 30 cents Doge, I don't think it's a good idea. Doji. Well, Doji, you know my opinion. Let's wait here. Hopefully it'll come back down to reload. If not, we have 2 free bags. Dimension. Similar. Don't chase it here. Don't chase it. I know looks tempting here. But look at this move. From 1.2 to 1.7 straight up. Anyway. FET looks similar. Don't chase, people. Wait for a retracement. If you really want to play and you are a premium member, you are trying to become a day trader, take Holy Grail, 15-minute chart and play around. Okay, smaller amounts, first 100 trades to get used to Holy Grail, see if it's for you, and then you can play Holy Grail. Next 6 months, next year will be a really nice environment for Holy Grail. And then will be another 6 months of really nice with Holy Grail. Just switch to the bearish side. Okay, so next period, Holy Grail, it's the best indicator. You can tell me whatever you want. Osmo, it's kind of aiming out here. Similar, everything looks kind of the same on altcoins. Let's wait for the dip, and when the dip comes, please don't panic, please don't say what's a fake out, please don't say you are waiting lower. Take the first W in the long reload zone, play safer, take 61.8 and stop loss all the way down. Play the spot if you are not a trader. Solana accepted above 200, and if everything is nice and clean, could push higher. But we should chase Solana here? No, don't chase Solana. The risk reward is not there. You can play Solana with Holy Grail. Now let's see, 15-minute chart, okay. Let's put a Holy Grail. Well, there you go. Well, we can see. If you played with Holy Grail on 15-minute chart, you enter here, you exit here, you enter again, where? Here, and you are a break-even. And I could look on 50-minute chart on a lot of altcoins. Okay. Let's look at Tao, for example. Entry at 500, you can see. So that's why I'm telling you about Holy Grail. Feel free to do whatever you want. You can see this one, still in the trade. So, if we have requests, let's take some requests. If not, let's call it a live stream and I'll go on VIP and trade. No requests? Okay, then. People remember, nice movement in the weekend. Usually Monday it's a cooling off day, and then Tuesday we start again. Usually. Okay? So don't be too eager to take long setups. Wait a little bit. Monday it's mostly to wait. TIA on weekly. Well, let's take a look at TIA on weekly. There you go. No W, weekly W yet. Good location on weekly for dollar cost average. Good location to use little lady. It's in the same consolidation from a couple of weeks ago. At least it's not going straight down, it's going sideways. And the right environment could do a fake out below $4 and then push higher, kind of a power of 3, or take all the liquidity here. I think so. We have some bags. I don't see anything special about TIA at this moment on weekly chart. Okay, I'll look at daily. Sebastian, let's see daily what we have. Up, down, W, pushing higher, aiming out, straight up, in against this EM, which is not the best location to think long. We should wait for a retracement in the long reload zone. Okay, that could form a nice daily W. So a retracement here for the right part of the W could give you an entry. I don't know, below $5 kind of idea. Yep. I don't get it, Theo. What do you want? 15-minute daily. Yeah. So that's my thinking here. Don't chase here. Wait for a retracement. Yeah, the environment is bullish, but doesn't mean we should chase. Now, I'll go and I'll go back on Bitcoin. Well, even on Bitcoin, look at 50-minute chart. 50-minute chart, Holy Grail. Come on, people. Tell me that it's not the best indicator. Just look at it. Come on. It's up to you. Anyway, look at Ethereum. Similar. Yeah. Well, let's call it a live stream. Let's call it a live stream. And be careful with your money. It's better to protect than to lose your shirt in this environment, because you can wait for better opportunities. But if you don't have more money, you have to go back working and put more money in your account at the end of the month, which is not a good habit. You should take some money out from the market, not to put some money in the market. Okay, that being said, let's call it a live stream. If I'll see setups, I'll post setups, even on general chat, why not? I'll try to post even for the free members. Okay. See you guys next time. Bye bye.